welcome back to... What? Yo, guys, come here. You don't think you can make keto French fries? Alright, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to shame you there. Alright, guys, welcome back to Cooking with Coupel. You know how it is. It's the only YouTube channel that offers low-carb cuisines and dank memes. So if that's your thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll tell you what, it feels really good to be back. COVID walked through my house and kicked my ass. Stole my furniture. It was not a good time, but it's good to be back. Today, we're going to be doing a low-carb keto French fry recipe. And stay tuned towards the end, because I'm going to be doing a pretty bougie fry recipe that I think you guys are going to enjoy. So, let's get in the kitchen. Okay, let's fucking do this. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the last couple times I did my videos, I didn't do any beer reviews. I was a little off the sauce. Where's the sauce? So today I have Built to Spill by Foam Brewers. They are based out of Burlington, Vermont. They told me this is their one of their flagship beers. This is a double IPA. Yeah, 8%. I'd say only 8%, but that's still going to be quite a doozy. Looks nice, very opaque, great aroma, nice and citrusy, super bright. Ooh. It's got a little sweetness to it. It's got a nice little bitterness to it. Nothing too over the top though with this style. Definitely gonna give this like a 4.7, like easy. So, first thing we're gonna do is grab a bowl and we're going to make what I call a faux-tato. So we're going to start off with a half a cup of coconut flour. I've got 10 grams of almond flour, 3 teaspoons of xanthan gum. This is the brand of xanthan gum that I'm going to be using for this. Found it on Amazon for 14-15 bucks. If you guys are curious and want this exact one, it is going to be in the description below. I'm just going to use a fork here real quick just to mix that all in. Right, so what I have here is 7 to 8 tablespoons of hot water. You just kind of want to form, I wouldn't say it's a dough. I don't know, I mean it's just kind of like creating a potato, I guess. Looks like it's coming together pretty nice. I can probably use my hands. I mean, I can easily mold this into a nice ball of dough. So, let's go and grab some parchment paper. We're gonna roll this out. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we gotta roll this out. Put that right smack dab right there in the middle. We'll throw another one right on top. I do not have a rolling pin, so bottle of vodka. Fuck it. We're rolling this out pretty thin, not overly thin. I mean, it really depends on the kind of fry you want to make. If you want to do more shoestring, like a McDonald's fry, you can do that. If you want to do thicker steak cut ones, you probably can. That's a pretty good thickness right there, actually. But we're gonna grab a plate, grab a knife, grab a knife. There we go. So that's pretty much going to be your fry. I'm gonna keep mine pretty thin. But yeah, you're pretty much going to just pretty much with this, cut off, trim off the edges. You can reshape it afterwards, but we're just going to make as many fry-shaped cuts as we can. So we're going to work on that. I'll see y'all when I'm done. Hey, go Bolts, by the way, and happy playoffs.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Yeah, okay. So we are all set. I've got a couple layers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and freeze them for about 10 to 15 minutes. That'll make the frying process a lot easier, and I will also start getting our oil heated up. So, yeah, got my frying station laid out here, nothing too crazy. Just gonna do enough oil to be able to submerge each fry. Just using canola oil for this. That should be perfect. We're gonna go ahead and do a little test fry, a little sacrifice. Pretty much want to fry these until they're nice and golden. Let's fucking go! Go! Whoa!
Fatality.
Oh, okay, so golden brown. That is what you're looking for. Focus.
Fucking focus, dude. Come on.
It's crazy how good that is. All right, let's go ahead and fry. Let's go ahead and fry up the rest. Just do a little bit at a time. Don't go too crazy. I'm still very nervous that these are gonna fucking pop off on me. Uh-oh. I'm thinking from how they look right now, I actually need to turn down my oil a little bit. All right, round 2. Yeah, I think lowering the temperature makes a big difference.
These ones will fuck you up, because these ones are the scary ones. Oh, shit!
Listen, I'm making these mistakes so that you don't have to. I obviously did not wait long enough, and I think I completely... I put in... What? Where'd it go?
Nani?
Did I not put 3 fries in here? Oh god. I looked back at the footage and I saw that it popped out and went onto my pan, which was fucking cool. Okay, well, I have lowered the temperature quite a bit, so let's go ahead and continue. Alright, here we go. So, when you guys do it at home, keep it at kind of like a medium low. I'm gonna go ahead and fry the rest of these, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. So, here we go. Okay, we did it. Holy shit. It's not normally supposed to be that stressful. Got some sugar-free ketchup. Oh my god. They're literally just French fries. It doesn't make sense. They're crispy. Pair these up with some wings, a burger. Like, you're not gonna complain. Damn, these are good. Woo! I did promise you guys I would do a more fancy, bougie recipe with these fries, so I'm gonna deliver on that promise. This is some truffle oil, some black truffle infused oil. So we're doing truffle fries.
Bet you didn't see that one coming, huh?
Some fresh parsley. Now it's the easy part of get our parsley in there. Ooh. I'm not using freshly grated Parmesan. I actually purposely went out and bought some of the canned stuff. I think it sticks a lot better. And then some truffle oil. While we have the opportunity to, let's go ahead and salt these a little bit more. And we'll give them a nice toss. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh, look at that. Fucking truffle fries, the lightning one.
That makes for a perfect fucking video.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Please
Disgusting!
like the video, comment down below what you think of these fries, try them out for yourself, and yeah, that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it for this video, so see y'all next time.